Greetings, everyone. Diving into the fascinating world of acids and base. Let's know why lemon has sour taste, why soap is having cleansing power, and how our stomach is having strong digestive power. Do they have magical in them, or there is a science behind them? Let's know about it today. And which are the compounds which are present in them, how they are unique, how they are important in our daily lives. So, to know about this, you have to move with me in the topic of grade 7, that is acid, base, and indicators. At the end of the topic, you will be able to define acids, bases, and indicators. You can distinguish between the types of indicators, you can analyze, and you can answer. You have to answer some questions based on the concepts, and you can examine the effects of neutralization in your daily life too. So, what are acids? Acids are the substances whose taste is sour, and you can find them in lemon, raw tomatoes, tamarind, orange, vinegar, and apple. They contain some natural acids like citric acid, lactic acid, and acetic acid. Now we have some properties of acids like they are soluble in water, they can turn blue litmus paper red. Now the question arises, what is litmus? Litmus, it is obtained from a natural substance lichen, which is combination of fungi and algae. So we have litmus paper in the labs, and when we use blue litmus paper, acids they changes the color to red. Acids are very corrosive in nature, so we have to store them in glass containers. When acids react with metals, they give hydrogen gas. Now we have bases. Bases they have bitter taste. They are found in baking soda. Generally, it is found in the kitchen of everyone. In lime water, it is also base. Soap is also base. So, soap is having its cleansing power due to the chemical compounds called as bases. Examples sodium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide. And now we have properties of bases. When you touch the base, they are slippery or soapy to touch. And in the case of bases, we are using red litmus paper to which the base turns to blue. And all the bases are not corrosive, some bases are corrosive. Bases, when in the form of alkalis, they are soluble in water, otherwise, they are not. Next, we have some questions for you. So question number 1 says, which of the following is a natural acid? So you have to tell soap, lemon juice, baking soda, toothpaste. Answer for this is lemon juice. Why? Because it contains citric acid, which is a natural acid, as I have introduced it in the starting of the topic. Next, second question says, what is the taste of most acids? Option A, sweet, B, salty, C, bitter, and D, sour. And you know very well, the first explanation I have given to you, the taste of acids are, they have the taste sour. Like vinegar or lemon, you can say. So, third question says, which of the following is a base? Option A, vinegar, B, lemon, C, soap, D, orange. Answer to this question is soap, because they feel soapy and they are found in many cleaning products too. Question number 4 says, what does litmus paper do? Option A, measures weight, B, changes color in acids or base, C, makes sound, D, cleans the solution. So answer is it changes color in acid or base. As I told you, litmus paper is used to test whether a substance is acidic or basic. And in acids, also it changes the color, and in bases also it is changing the color. Next we have indicators. As I told you that litmus is a thing or is a substance which indicates that which substance is acid or which substance is basic. So can't we call it as an indicator? Yes, it is an indicator because substances that show whether a solution is acidic or basic, they are called as indicators. They change color whenever they are added to the solution because that solution can be acidic or basic, and according to their color you can judge. Then types of indicators are natural and synthetic indicators. Natural indicators which are prepared by natural substances, for example turmeric, china rose extract, and litmus paper. And important point to be note about them is that they can be prepared at home. Second type of indicator we have is synthetic indicators. They are man-made indicators and they are specially prepared in the labs, and examples for them are phenolphthalein and methyl orange. And last but not the least topic of this concept is neutralization reactions. So do you know we are studying about acids and base. When they react together, what will happen? Acid or base, they are like positive and negative charges. When you react them together, they will neutralize, they will cancel out the effect of each other, right? Because in mathematics also, when you are doing positive and negative, they cancel out the effect of each other and the answer is 0. So here also, when acid or base they react together, they cancel out the effect of each other. That is called as neutralization. And after neutralization reaction, acid and base they give us two products. One is salt, which is a neutral salt, and other one is water. Neutralization we can use in our daily life and we are using. So for that examples are tooth decay, acidity in stomach, ant spite, and acid rain. Acidity in stomach, this is very common. Have you seen your dada, dadi, grandparents at your home? They're saying, I have acidity today. So what happens? In that case, they have the level of acid in their stomach very high, and when they take the medicine, have you seen the medicine Diagene in the form of liquid they are taking? So the Diagene tablet liquid in whatever form they are taking, that is a base. So when they take it, when they ingest it, that neutralize the effect of extra acid out of the stomach and that relieves the acidity. Second case, like the ant, if it bites you, it releases formic acid wherever it bites. So that acid, if you apply some like baking soda on it, baking soda is a base as I told you. So baking soda will neutralize the effect of formic acid and it will neutralize. Okay, so what will happen? That swelling or rash due to ants bite, it will be relieved. So these are the common daily life examples of neutralization reactions. Now we have one recap quiz which is like home assignment for you, and the questions are: blue litmus paper is dipped in a solution. It remains blue. What is the nature of solution? Perform and explain. This you can perform with the help of blue litmus paper, which is very easily available. And then you can explain this concept that why it is blue, which type of solution it was, either acid or base. Think about it. Second question is, what are natural indicators? Give examples. This is very easy question. If you have understood the concept clearly, you can give answers right now. Third question, what happens when an acidic solution is mixed with a basic solution? This is the topic we have done. So you can answer this too very nicely. Last question is, what is the importance of using indicators in science experiments? in science experiments, if we are using indicators, so why they are important to be used over there? And if we will not use them, what will happen? Think and answer. So I hope you all understood this concept very nicely. Thank you very much.